2, 1. Super cool presentation of solids! Why are we doing this?
There are 5 shapes of solids. Number 1, the prism. Number 2, the pyramid. 3rd is the sphere. 4th, we got cylinders. And 5, we got cones.
Hi, I'm Dominique Caparel, and I'm going to be presenting about prisms.
A prism is a three-dimensional figure that has rectangular faces and 2 parallel and congruent bases. To calculate the surface area, you have to do pH plus 2V. To calculate the volume, you just do base times height. Some prisms in real life and entertainment are the Rubik's Cube, dice, and camping tent. An optical, it reduces the physical size of an optical system and redirects the direction of light. It reforms the orientation of an image, and an architect prism's framework makes it so multiple teams can work on a project at once, speeding up the process.
There we go. Okay. Pyramids are defined as a solid figure with a polygon or non-circular base and triangular sides that meet at a single point. There are many types of pyramids, such as the triangular pyramid, which is a 3-dimensional figure that has 4 triangular faces. The square pyramid, which is a solid figure with a square figure and 4 faces that are triangles. The pentagonal pyramid, which is a solid shape whose base is a pentagon with 5 triangular faces. And the hexagonal pyramid, which is a solid shape whose base is a hexagon and 6 triangular faces. To find the volume of the pyramid, you have to do length times width times height divided by 3. And to find its surface area, you have to do LSA, or the lateral surface area of a pyramid, and add that to the base area. In architecture, there are tents and army camps that are shaped as pyramids. The roof of a house is in the shape of the pyramid, and there are the pyramids of Egypt and the temples in Latin America, which are shaped as pyramids. Perfume bottles are in the shape of pyramids, and there are toys shaped like pyramids. In sports, there are arrowheads, and in cheerleading, sometimes teams do this thing where they line up so that it'll look like a pyramid.
Awesome news about spheres. Spheres are round, solid, 3D figures. Every point on a sphere is equidistant from the center. Spheres are objects that are important in many mathematical fields. You can calculate a sphere's volume with the equation 4/3 pi times the radius cubed. And you can calculate its surface area with the formula 4 pi times radius squared. Real-world examples. In sports, there are basketballs, soccer balls, and shot puts. In school, there are globes. At home, there are ornaments and lights. At foods, there are oranges and watermelons and cantaloupe. In space, there's the Earth, the Sun, and the Moon. In fact, most things in space are spheres. And in war, there are cannonballs, grenades, and bombs.
Hi, my name is Vincent Kibler, and this is cylinders. Cylinders. It's a 3-dimensional solid, and to find the volume, you do pi times radius squared times height. And to find the surface area, you do 2 times pi times radius, parentheses, radius plus height, and parentheses. Cylinders have 3 faces. 2 of them are flat circles, and the 3rd one is curved into a tube. Cylinders in real life. At school, you can find a beaker. At home, you can find candles. Outside, the trunk of a tree. And in the workplace, a coffee cup.
Hi, I'm Giselle Randa, and this is cones. What are cones? A cone is a figure with a circular base and a vertex. How do you calculate the volume of a cone? To calculate the volume of the cone, you have to do 1/3 pi radius square times height. How do you calculate the surface area of a cone? First you do surface area equals pi, and then the radius, and then the slant height plus pi and radius square. Some cones in real life are ice cream cones, funnel, birthday cap, temple top, icing bag, and even in our eyes, such as a receptor cell found in the retina of the eye.